Today I'm going to show you how to assign an article to your students. Okay, the first thing you need to do is log on to Renaissance Learning through the employee portal. Next thing you do is go up here to your AR Reader 360 and click on Instructional Reading. Now it goes a little slow sometimes, so just be very patient. Now, the next thing you do is you can say find articles or skills or standards. Again, it takes a little bit of time to load, so just be patient with it. You can see down below a lot of the articles it has. You have to watch out because it does have a lot of 6th grade, 5th grade, a lot of older child articles that you can't always use. You can always preview an article by going to preview to see what it looks like. And it has the skill right above it a lot of times. Okay, now up here I'm finding an article for. You can go ahead and click your name. And let's see, down is alphabetical order by first name. And so I'm just going to pick my name. I'm going to pick apply. Okay, I'm going to go to this one. Okay, it does take a little bit of time to load. Okay, if you ever want to go back to the home page, just pick this home button. Okay, it says I was working on this class. I'm going to go ahead and discard, start a new plan. You can have lesson plans for each week. Now on your plans, I think you only see your class. On this one, I can pick any class. Okay, it says I'm doing a reading lesson. I just picked Miss Barker. She's in 1st grade. And then I go down here, you can pick the date that you want the article to show up on the student's account. You can do it by week, or you can pick custom dates in. I'm going to keep it for next week. Alright, and now this is the placement level for the 1st grade class that I'm in. Of course, it will be different for whatever class that you're teaching. Now down here, it has suggestions from STAR that you can choose, and you click here and it gives you the standard. Then you click continue. Now I found a lot of times if you do it this way, it doesn't have as many articles to choose from. So I like going up. You can click topics, and then you can click the grade range. So if you want to give it to K through 2nd and 3rd grade range, you just click the two ranges. I'm just going with K through 2nd. Okay, and then you can click as many types as you want. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click animals and then continue. Now you can manage groups up here and change groups if you'd like to. Okay, now I can filter by read aloud assignments, reading quiz, quiz practice, skills practice, lots of different assignments you can look through. I can sort by low to high, high to low, and it keeps going. Okay, so I'm going to click off this. Now if you like to add it to your plan, you press the plus button. If you like to preview it, you press the preview button. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this one. It says it's grade K, but it's actually a little difficult, so you do want to preview any articles that you give. Okay, up here it tells them instructions. Okay, it tells them to read the article twice, read straight through. Okay, so you can see the article looks like this. And now we just track down and read the article to themselves. Now over here it has some activities they can do. Press number 2. This is just the article again, because remember it wanted the children to read the article twice. That's why I did it 2 times. Now if you press number 3 at the bottom, it has a question. It has practice skills, show what you know. So the child can type in the answer to the question. Again, thinking more about the article, going back and looking at the article. So she would just type using the keyboard. The author is describing so-and-so. Okay, then you go down to the bottom again. And this one has 4 little activities. And so again, another question. What question is the author trying to answer? So they would type in their answer right there. And again, they need to go back and reread and really think about the passage. Now when they're finished, they can click finished. And I'm going to go ahead and say yes, I want to finish. Okay, and then you can take the quiz or you can exit. Okay, so take the quiz. It looks exactly like an AR quiz. It gives them a couple questions. They have more questions if the article is longer. Okay, so they pick their answers and they go through. Okay, and it gives them the graded quiz at the very end, so they can see that right away. Now they would put exit here. Okay, and if they exit, it goes right back to the beginning for them. So you will see it'll take you right back here. Okay, if they're taking a quiz on an article, they would go in here too. Okay, now if I'm planning and I say yes, I want that article, I say add to plan, and it's now added to my plan. So I have one assignment. Miss Barker's class of Porcupine's Prickly Adventure, read aloud author's purpose. Okay, and if I want to take it out, I just X out of it, and I can add more than one or just one. We have 12 results here for animals K through 2nd. All right,